Welcome to Speak Up English. Learn from zero. This channel helps you speak English step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. Can you say where you are from in English? Let's learn how to talk about your country today. We are in a recording studio. Anna and John are practicing a simple English conversation for beginners. Hi, John. Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Oh, that's nice. Are you from New York?
Yes, I am. I'm from New York.
Great. I'm from London.
That's nice. It's great to meet you.
In this conversation, Anna and John talk about where they are from. You can say, I'm from, to talk about your country or city. To ask someone's place, say, where are you from? To check information, you can ask, are you from? Now let's practice together. Please listen and repeat slowly. Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Are you from New York?
Yes, I am.
Now it's your turn. Say this sentence out loud or write it in the comments. I'm from. Are you from?
Thank you for learning with Speak Up English. Learn from zero. Practice every day, speak with confidence, and see you in the next lesson.